Today, I'm gonna feed a few snakes and I'm gonna show you guys what I picked up at my local reptile expo. I just want to start off by telling you guys thank you so much for all those views I got in my last video, and welcome all the new subscribers to my channel. I appreciate it, guys. We're gonna start off here with the African rock python. So this is the African rock python, Python Sabe. She is currently taking small rats. She's not the best eater in the world. She will take chicks like crazy, but when it comes to rodents, she's not the most aggressive feeder. So we're just gonna see how she does today. And I do only feed this girl frozen thawed. So here we go. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. Yeah, she takes a little bit longer. Normally she's the better. I think the light and the camera, she's a little bit defensive about. There we go. She took it. I'll tell you what, this girl does spook me when she strikes. Out of all the snakes, this is the most aggressive bite out of all of them. Aggressive strike, I mean. All right, let's move on to the next snake, guys. All right, the next snake is gonna be my mainland retic. You can tell her she's already ready. So we're gonna go ahead and feed this girl a medium rat. She only eats out every 2 weeks compared to the other snake every week, because she is eating a little bit bigger meals. I'll occasionally go down to smalls at times, but I do like to give her a wide range of different sizes of rodents. And there you go. And you can see the nice colorations on this girl are really coming in nice. So she is a mix of Borneo and Ambon. All right, I'm gonna let her go ahead and digest this food, and then we'll move on to the next snake. All right, the next girl is gonna be my green Anaconda female. Normally she's a good eater, but she is in shed right now at the moment, so I'm not sure if she'll take. We're just gonna have to see. Let's see if I can get some little bit light on her. It's gonna be kind of hard. Let me see. All right, let's try this girl on a medium rat. You can tell she's getting some size on her. I don't really like to feed snakes in shed, but normally this girl is a really good eater, so we'll see. Okay. Nah, she may not go for it. Okay, we'll go ahead and leave this rodent over here, and then we'll move on to the next snake. So let's see if this my albino pied male will take today. Not sure. He doesn't have the best appetite in the world, because he's still breeding. He's still locking up with girls, but he eats about every 2 to 3 weeks. But we'll see. We'll still give him a try. So we'll give him a little, these are all small rats. Oops, sorry. Come on, guy. No, I don't think he's too hungry today. Normally this guy, he is kind of finicky, so you do kind of have to leave the rat in there with him. His colors are still really nice. I'm not a huge fan of the high white pieds, but with the albino, it really looks cool. All right, we'll go ahead and leave the pepper towels and his stuff on the side, and then we'll let him go ahead and do his business. Let's move on to the next snake. All right, we're gonna go ahead and try feeding my orange dream female. She's double het for clown pied, and you can tell she's always ready. So we've got to be careful with this girl because she does. All right, we're gonna go ahead and try feeding my orange dream female right now. You can tell she's ready. All right, here you go, girl. I do soak all the rats in lukewarm water before. Oh, come on, girl. There you go. She normally takes every time for me. She's a great feeder. All right, cool. Let's move on to the next snake that I got from my local reptile expo. All right, guys, this is gonna be my new pickup that I got from my local reptile expo. I got this snake from Steve Sykes from Geckos Etc. She is a hognose snake. Her morph is a Anaconda extreme red albino. So I do got big plans for her. She did have a little stubby tail, but that'll be fine. I kind of got her for that reason too, because due to my disability, you know, it's kind of cool to have something that, you know, I can relate to and all that. So I'm gonna go ahead and try feeding her right now. She normally takes pretty easy here, off the tongs. She's only eating pinkies right now. All right. All right, we're probably just gonna have to leave this inside here because she does seem a little shy of the light. I don't want to mess with her too much because I'm not trying to handle her too much right now, is because she is new. So I'm gonna go ahead and just leave this right here for her and then let her come back to it later. I like to put these little toilet paper rolls in here and stuff for her while she's getting adjusted. Maybe down the road I'll put some bedding in here. Just right now, while I'm trying to acclimate her, I want a simple setup. Here, let me try to get some light on this girl. She's really nice. Okay, let's take out one of these. Let's take out this one. You can tell that Anaconda is really nice with the extreme red and the albino. This is gonna be the next snakes I'll be working with. I do plan on getting a male and a couple more females. And this snake is from Geckos Etc. from Steve Sykes. All right, cool. Thank you guys for subscribing. I do really appreciate it. And that last video blew me out. I was at the hospital, just getting out of surgery, and I saw my phone blowing up. So it did make me really happy. This is something I'm trying to, you know, do is, you know, probably trying to release a video every 7 to 10 days if I can. All right, thank you guys.